Hey guys, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a 2018 Ford F-150 XLT. This one's got 194,000 miles. I know it's a little out of my wheelhouse typically, but I went outside of Houston, just barely outside Houston, to look at a vehicle for my client's daughter. And the guy said, hey, I'm also selling my old truck. I got a company car. Are you interested? So I went ahead and bought that also. And I bought it because I looked at it and it looked like a 30,000 mile truck. I was really shocked when I saw the mileage. So he took really good care of this truck. It's got nice new Michelins on it, 2 keys, all the books, well serviced. It's a 4x4. It does have FX4 package. It does have the sport appearance package as well. Running boards, color matched bumpers. It's a really well optioned XLT. Walk around here, it's not all banged up or scratched like you see a lot of these trucks, you know, when they get this kind of mileage on them. Tonneau cover back here. You can see the rear bumpers, really nice. Just a nice clean truck. Be good for, you know, a kid turning 16 or something, or a work truck. This does have the 5-liter V8. I should have said that from the beginning. This is the Coyote V8. It's a much better engine than the EcoBoost. It's a nice truck. Let's take a look inside. See, it's got the navigation system here. It's got heated seats, center shift console. You can see even the armrest is in good shape. No lights on in the dash. That all looks good. It's got rear camera, rear sensing system. So a lot of nice stuff here. Power sliding rear window. Everything's working, non-smoker. It's a real nice truck. Power seats, both sides. Give us a call, text, email. We do respond quickly. If you're financing, we can deal with your bank as well, no problem. Long distance is easy as well. Do a lot of long distance deals out of state. We can ship this right to you, no problem. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel. I make videos of all the vehicles that we sell like this. Follow us on Instagram, Rogers_Motorcars. Go ahead and like everything we do. like the video, like the Instagram stuff. It all helps with the algorithm. So hope to hear from you guys soon on this one. Again, real clean 2018 Ford F-150 with the 5-liter V8, FX4 package, sport appearance package, navigation, 302A package. Loaded up real nice, well serviced, clean Carfax, non-smoker, nice clean truck for the money. Hope to hear from you. Thanks.